Did you know that some of the foods we eat every day can silently damage our bodies as we age? Many of them don't cause obvious problems right away, but over time they can affect our joints, weaken our muscles, disturb our sleep, and even put our heart at risk. If you're over 60, the truth is, what you eat matters more than ever. But here's the good news. For every harmful food, there's a healthier, simple swap that can help you stay strong, energized, and independent. In today's video, we'll uncover common foods that may be silently hurting aging bodies, and exactly what to eat instead. You'll likely be surprised by a few of them, so make sure to watch all the way through. As we get older, our bodies change in ways that make us more sensitive to the foods we eat. For example, our metabolism slows down, our muscles naturally shrink unless we protect them, and our joints lose flexibility. That means foods we could easily handle in our 30s or 40s may now cause inflammation, stiffness, or fatigue in our 60s and beyond. The key isn't just about removing harmful foods, it's about replacing them with nutrient-rich, senior-friendly alternatives that support healthy aging. The first food on our list is refined sugar, and yes, that includes soda, candy, pastries, and even hidden sugars in packaged foods. Sugar causes spikes in blood sugar and insulin, which can lead to more fat storage, fatigue, and long-term problems like diabetes and heart disease. But here's something seniors especially need to know. Sugar fuels inflammation. That means stiffer joints, slower healing, and more aches and pains. A better choice? Swap refined sugar with natural options like fresh fruit, a drizzle of raw honey, or even a sprinkle of cinnamon to sweeten foods without causing inflammation. These alternatives satisfy your sweet tooth while nourishing your body. Next up are processed meats, like hot dogs, bacon, deli ham, and sausages. These are often high in sodium, nitrates, and preservatives that increase inflammation and raise the risk of heart disease and even certain cancers. Instead, aim for lean, clean protein sources. Salmon, chicken, turkey, beans, and lentils are excellent choices. These not only protect your heart but also provide the protein your body needs to preserve muscle mass, something critical after 60. Another food to watch out for is white bread and other refined carbs. Think bagels, crackers, pasta, and pastries made with white flour. The problem is that refined grains are stripped of their fiber and nutrients. They turn quickly into sugar in your body, spiking blood sugar levels, draining your energy, and promoting fat storage. For older adults, this can increase the risk of type 2 diabetes and make it harder to maintain a healthy weight. A healthier swap. Choose whole grain options like oats, quinoa, brown rice, or whole wheat bread. These keep your blood sugar stable, give you steady energy, and support digestive health thanks to the extra fiber. Fried foods may be tasty, but they're one of the biggest silent threats to aging bodies. Foods like French fries, fried chicken, and even some restaurant meals are loaded with unhealthy fats and oils. These trans fats and oxidized oils can clog arteries, raise cholesterol, and increase inflammation in your joints. Over time, they contribute to heart problems, stiff arteries, and painful mobility issues. Instead, try this. Bake, grill, or use an air fryer for that crispy texture without the harmful oils. Roasting vegetables with a touch of olive oil or grilling salmon gives you flavor and crunch while protecting your heart and joints. Salt is something many of us don't think twice about. But too much sodium is dangerous, especially after 60. Excess salt puts extra strain on the kidneys and raises blood pressure, which can lead to strokes and heart disease. Processed foods like canned soups, chips, frozen dinners, and even bread are often loaded with hidden salt. A better choice? Season your meals with herbs, spices, garlic, lemon zest, or a sprinkle of black pepper. Not only do these alternatives add flavor, but many of them, like turmeric and garlic, actually fight inflammation and support circulation. Now here's one that surprises many people: artificial sweeteners. You'll find them in diet sodas, sugar-free desserts, and those colorful sweetener packets at restaurants. Even though they claim to be healthier, artificial sweeteners can confuse your body, increase sugar cravings, and may even harm gut health. For seniors, that means more digestive problems and difficulty keeping blood sugar balanced. What to do instead? Swap diet sodas for fruit-infused water or herbal teas. If you need to sweeten coffee or tea, try a small amount of raw honey, stevia, or just enjoy the natural flavor. Your body will thank you in the long run. Another hidden culprit is excessive alcohol. While an occasional glass of wine may not be harmful, regular drinking can put extra stress on your liver, interfere with sleep, dehydrate your body, and even weaken your memory over time. For seniors, alcohol also increases the risk of falls, weakens bone strength, and interacts with certain medications. A healthier option? Limit alcohol and try refreshing alternatives like sparkling water with lemon, herbal teas, or a splash of 100% fruit juice in plain water. These choices hydrate your body and protect your organs without the negative effects. Finally, we can't ignore packaged snacks and processed foods. They may be convenient, but they're often filled with unhealthy oils, sugars, and additives that do more harm than good. The trouble is, these snacks are usually empty calories. They don't provide the nutrients your body needs, yet they add to weight gain, inflammation, and sluggish energy. A better snack choice? Reach for a handful of nuts, seeds, fresh fruit, or plain yogurt with berries. These are nutrient-packed, delicious, and actually help your body stay energized and strong. So let's recap. Some of the most common foods that can silently damage aging bodies include refined sugar, processed meats, white bread and refined carbs, fried foods, excess salt, artificial sweeteners, too much alcohol, packaged snacks. But the good news is this: for every harmful food, there's always a better choice. Small swaps, like choosing whole grains instead of white bread, baked meals instead of fried, or fruit instead of candy, add up to a healthier, stronger, and more vibrant life. Remember, aging well isn't about giving up all the foods you love. It's about making smart choices most of the time so your body stays energized, your joints stay flexible, and your heart stays strong. Take it one step at a time, make small improvements, and you'll be amazed at how much better you feel. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend or family member who's over 60. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, senior-friendly health tips that help you stay strong, independent, and full of life. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you